This is one of the cheapest meal for large family of 6. If you have large family with 35 euro or 40 euro, you can get this done ASAP.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Hi from welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. If you are new in my channel, my name is Timmy and you're welcome to Timmy Better Family. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys some cheap meal for large family, especially we have family of 6 like me. So I went to supermarkets with only 40 euro. This is one of the way I spend wisely about grocery and food. Yeah. So I was thinking of what to prepare for dinner for my family of 6. Then I took 40 euro. I went straight to African store. I got 3 yam for 19 euro. So I went to the store. Then I got some meat. And yeah, that's it. As a matter of fact, with the 40 euro, I still have some change left. Unfortunately, out of the 3 yam, I got 2 got spoiled. Oh my gosh. I was so pissed. Like, I was like, oh my God, how come out of the 3 yam, I got 2 spoiled? So I had to call the store. And luckily, they told me that I can return it. So they changed it for me. I was like, okay, okay. So I started preparing the dinner. This is me trying to peel my yam and cut it to the size. And when you guys can see that those yam are spoiled, so those are the ones that spoiled. So spoiled. Oh my gosh! Assuming I cannot return this yam, oh my gosh, I will have cried. Because I can't waste 20 euro just like that. Let me tell you guys something about me. Like, I don't like wasting money. Like, if I don't need this stuff, I'm not going to get it. I've trained myself so hard to that extent. Let me say, 4 years ago, I wasn't like this. But as you are growing up, you guys can see I was so pissed. Look at the yam. I was so see the way I throw it. Look at it. I was so pissed, like, oh my gosh. And I was ready to prepare the meal. This almost 7 o'clock. And I was like, okay, what am I going to do? Thank God that I returned it. So this is the meat I got. I really don't went to the store by myself. I sent my husband. Look at what he got for me. Oh my gosh, like my mood was like, oh God, what is this? All these are fat. Like I need meat. It's too fat. So I was trying to cut out all the fat. Like I wasted many meats, not meat but fat. I really don't like preparing fat with meat unless I'll prepare it aside because my husband loves stuff like this. But me, we are fat already, so we don't need an extra fat. So as I was saying earlier, if I don't need stuff, I forgot. Someone dropped a comment in my video where I asked that if you want me to make video on how I re-strategize and minimize spending money. If that is correct. And I think that I got a comment. Someone said I should drop the video. I'm so sorry for now. I will surely drop it. I promise. So I was trying to wash my beef, trying to get everything clean. And yeah, let's get the food done ASAP. Alright, so I fried my onions already and I'm going to use 2 tomatoes. Trust me, with 40 euro, you are good to go with this. It's not the most that you have too much money to before you can prepare gourmet for your family. Like after you prepare it, the way you decorate it, oh my gosh, like you'll be like, okay, I think I need some. Even if you are not hungry, you'll be like, okay, with that decoration, I think I need some. So I've already boiled my meat, then I'm going to fry it as soon as possible because when I'm making food, unless I don't put my attention or I'm so busy, that's why I won't get everything done as soon as possible. But if I want the meal to be quick, as if I want it to get ready within a minute, I'm there, I'll surely get it done. So that is my yam. I've already washed and peeled it. I'm going to change this yam there. I'm going to put the what's it called, my frying steel at my back while I put the yam in the big stove because we are hungry. So I had to get everything done faster. So I was trying to put my salt. If you love to add sugar in your yam, go on and do it. Yeah. As for me, I love putting a little bit of sugar. Yeah. So I was trying to stir up my food. So this is my frying beef. All right, my beef is ready. Then I'll surely go on and turn everything in my stew. Like this is my first time trying this recipe. I've never tried this recipe like beef with stew and yam. This is my first time. Oh my gosh, it was so delicious. Like I was just giving myself all different type of food. Like try something new. Yeah, you can't be eating semo rice. No, try to create some meal for your family member. Yeah, so yeah, and I'll surely take some onions and pour it on top this way. Don't forget that I've already fried my onions. I love this way because when I'm eating stuff like this, I love to be throwing that onions. All my family member love it. It's only the kids who doesn't love eating onions. But aside the kids, we love eating onions. I can slice three, four onions when I'm preparing food because onion is so good. It's something salad, yeah. And here we are. Our food is ready. Like I put everything in a pot and we ate it together. Oh my gosh. As soon we ate it, everybody went straight to the bed because this was so delicious, so yummy, and so simple, so easy, and so cheap. It's not going to take a lot of money from you, trust me. And I will surely drop video on how I re-strategize my grocery and food store. And I'm using this opportunity to say thanks for 700 subscribers. I'm so grateful. Your girl is so grateful. With that, guys, take me can't do this. Thanks so much. I'm so grateful. And I think I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay well and stay cool. Bye.